Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up your professionals on record so they show up in all your sheets. In part 1 of this video I show you how to fill up the rest of the title block, and in this one we'll use the plan set manager again to place your professionals on record. If we open the single sheet editor, we can see there are spaces for you to manually fill out the professional. This is very time consuming if you have multiple sheets, so we're going to save all that information in a single Excel file that we can call up every time that we need it. The new FDOT update gives you a blank template for you to use. It can be found inside your installation folder under Organization Civil, FDOT, Data Templates. If we open it, we can see it's just an empty table with some preset headers. Let's close this file and copy it into our working folder. I have mine saved inside my worksets folder where all my projects are stored. This is a convenient location and it'll be easy to recall it again in any future projects. In the interest of time, I already filled out my table with all my engineers, so this file is ready to go. Let's go back to the sheet editor and load up our Professionals Excel file by clicking on this button next to the Select Professionals menu. Now you can click on the drop-down menu and select the person that you want to show up. Some information might be different from the others and it will change to match whatever we did on the Excel file. Once you click OK, your professional will show up in your sheets and the FAC notes with the correct rule will populate on the right side. Now we can go back to the sheets we did on part 1 of this video and add the professional on record. Same as before, we'll edit multiple sheets using the plan set manager, select them all and do a bulk update sheet information. Choose your engineer and click OK. This sheet was updated, but let's open another file to make sure it carried through the rest. Perfect. If this video helped you in any ways, please click the like button. Also consider subscribing and clicking the bell icon so you don't miss any more of my videos. Thanks for watching.